Hi everyone, it's Brian from NEXNOVO. Welcome to our booth at ISE 2023. And I'm going to introduce our latest technology, which is called glass LED. So it's like a sandwich technology. We have the LED in the middle of two tempered glass. The LED is being very well protective. And here you see it's one of the series from B series, which designs all kinds of barrier straits, and it comes with the whole solution. So not just the glass LED, and also including the rail structure behind it. So it can be used for indoor and outdoor use. And you can do straight, can do corners, you can do a curve, a round as well. And it will use to all kinds of applications that needs a glass barrier, like for shopping mall and for some corporate as well. And the finest pitch we have is pitch 8, and we are developing the final pitch, which will comes out at Q2 or Q3 this year. And the brightness can hit 4,500 nit to 5,000 nit. And if you need more details, welcome to visit our website www.nexnovo.com. I'll see you next time.